The world is changing at a rapid pace, and transportation is no exception. Imagine traveling from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes, or from Dubai to Abu Dhabi in under 15 minutes. This is the potential of Hyperloop, a revolutionary transportation concept that could change the way we travel forever. The idea of Hyperloop was first proposed by entrepreneur Elon Musk in 2013 as a high-speed alternative to traditional forms of transportation. Since then, several companies and organizations have been working to develop and test Hyperloop technology, with promising results. In this video, we will explore what Hyperloop is, how it works, and its potential benefits. From its key components to its potential environmental impact, we will dive deep into the technology and its potential to transform transportation as we know it. Wait, before we go any further, how might Hyperloop systems be integrated with other modes of transportation, such as airplanes and trains, to create a more efficient transportation network? Leave your comments down below. Hyperloop technology offers several potential benefits over traditional forms of transportation. In this section, we will explore some of these benefits in more detail. One of the main benefits of Hyperloop technology is its potential speed. The system is designed to travel at very high speeds, potentially reaching up to 760 miles per hour, 1223 km/h. This would make it significantly faster than other forms of transportation, such as cars, trains, and planes. For example, a trip from Los Angeles to San Francisco, which currently takes around 6 hours by car, could be completed in just 30 minutes using a Hyperloop system. In addition to being faster, Hyperloop technology could also be more convenient for passengers. Because the system is designed to be automated, there would be no need for drivers or conductors, which could save time and reduce the risk of human error. Hyperloop technology also has the potential to be safer than other forms of transportation. One of the key safety features of a Hyperloop system is the use of air pressure to levitate the pod and reduce friction with the tube. This means that there is no contact between the pod and the tube, which could reduce the risk of accidents due to mechanical failure or derailment. Additionally, Hyperloop systems are designed with emergency systems that can quickly and safely bring the pod to a stop in the event of an emergency. This includes emergency brakes and airlocks that can quickly equalize pressure in the tube. Another potential benefit of Hyperloop technology is its potential to reduce carbon emissions and energy consumption. Because the system is designed to be highly efficient, it could use significantly less energy than other forms of transportation. This could reduce the carbon footprint of transportation and help to mitigate the effects of climate change. In addition, the construction of a Hyperloop system could be less environmentally damaging than the construction of other forms of transportation infrastructure. For example, a Hyperloop system could be built underground, reducing the impact on the surrounding environment. Finally, Hyperloop technology could also be more cost-effective than other forms of transportation. While the initial cost of building a Hyperloop system may be high, the operating costs could be significantly lower than other forms of transportation. For example, because the system is designed to be automated, there would be no need for drivers or conductors, which could reduce labor costs. Additionally, because the system is designed to be highly efficient, it could use significantly less energy than other forms of transportation, which could reduce operating costs over time. This could make Hyperloop technology an attractive option for regions that are looking for cost-effective and sustainable transportation solutions. Hyperloop technology has generated significant interest and investment around the world, with several companies and organizations working on developing and testing Hyperloop systems. In this section, we will provide an overview of some of the most notable Hyperloop projects currently being developed around the world. The United States is home to several prominent Hyperloop projects, including the one being developed by Virgin Hyperloop in Las Vegas, Nevada. The company has constructed a 500-meter-long test track in the desert outside Las Vegas, where it has been testing its Hyperloop technology since 2017. In addition, there are several other Hyperloop projects being developed in the United States, including the proposed Great Lakes Hyperloop, which would connect cities in the Midwest, and the proposed Texas Hyperloop, which would connect Dallas, Austin, and Houston. Europe is also home to several prominent Hyperloop projects, including the one being developed by Hyperloop Transportation Technologies, HTT, in Toulouse, France. The company has signed agreements with several European countries to explore the feasibility of building Hyperloop systems, including a proposed route between Bratislava, Slovakia, and Vienna, Austria. Another European Hyperloop project is being developed by the Dutch startup HYPERLOOP, which is working on a route between Amsterdam and Frankfurt. The company has constructed a test track in the Netherlands and has secured funding from the Dutch government and private investors. The Middle East is another region that has shown significant interest in Hyperloop technology. One of the most notable projects is being developed in Dubai by the company Hyperloop One, which is working on a route between Dubai and Abu Dhabi. The proposed system would be able to transport passengers between the two cities in just 12 minutes, compared to the current travel time of around 2 hours by car. In addition to the Dubai-Abu Dhabi route, there are several other proposed Hyperloop projects in the Middle East, including a proposed route between Riyadh and Jeddah in Saudi Arabia, and a proposed route between Mumbai and Pune in India. Overall, these Hyperloop projects represent a significant step forward in the development and testing of Hyperloop technology. While there are still many challenges to overcome, these projects demonstrate the potential of Hyperloop to transform transportation and connect communities in new and innovative ways. As Hyperloop systems become more widespread and integrated into existing transportation networks, there is potential for further innovations in areas such as energy storage and distribution, environmental sustainability, and smart city design. Furthermore, the development of Hyperloop technology could also inspire new innovations in other industries, such as construction, manufacturing, and logistics. For example, the construction of a Hyperloop system requires specialized materials and construction techniques, which could lead to new advances in construction technology. One of the main potential benefits of Hyperloop technology is its potential for expansion. Hyperloop systems could connect communities and regions in new and innovative ways, reducing travel times and increasing access to jobs, education, and other opportunities. For example, Hyperloop systems could be used to connect rural areas to urban centers, reducing the economic and social disparities that often exist between these regions. Hyperloop systems could also be used to connect cities that are currently not well connected by existing forms of transportation, such as those in developing countries. In addition, there is potential for Hyperloop systems to be used for cargo transportation, allowing for faster and more efficient movement of goods and materials between regions. As promising as Hyperloop technology may be, there are still several challenges and limitations that must be overcome before it can become a viable mode of transportation. One of the main technical challenges of Hyperloop is ensuring the reliability and safety of the pod and tube. The pod must be able to withstand high speeds and changing air pressure, while the tube must be able to maintain a near-vacuum environment without any leaks. Additionally, the levitation and propulsion systems must be highly efficient and reliable to ensure a smooth and safe ride. There are also technical challenges related to the infrastructure needed to support a Hyperloop system. For example, the tube must be constructed to exacting specifications to prevent any deformation or damage that could compromise the safety of the system. This requires specialized materials and construction techniques that are still being developed and refined. Another challenge facing Hyperloop technology is the potential regulatory hurdles that must be overcome. Safety regulations must be developed and implemented to ensure the safety of passengers and other users of the system. This includes everything from emergency procedures to the design and construction of the tube and pod. In addition, land use restrictions and environmental regulations must be considered when developing a Hyperloop system. The construction of a tube and associated infrastructure may require significant land use, which could face opposition from local communities or environmental groups. This means that Hyperloop projects may require significant negotiation and collaboration with local and national government bodies, as well as other stakeholders. Hyperloop technology also faces significant economic challenges, particularly in terms of funding and feasibility. Building a Hyperloop system requires significant investment in infrastructure, research and development, and testing. This means that only a limited number of companies and organizations have the financial resources to pursue such a project. There are also questions about the feasibility of a Hyperloop system in terms of passenger demand and cost. While the potential speed and efficiency of a Hyperloop system are certainly attractive, it remains to be seen whether there will be sufficient demand to make such a system economically viable. Additionally, the cost of constructing and operating a Hyperloop system may be prohibitively high for many regions, particularly those with limited infrastructure and resources. Despite these challenges, there is still significant interest and investment in Hyperloop technology. Companies and organizations around the world are continuing to develop and test the technology, with promising results. As these challenges are addressed and overcome, the potential of Hyperloop to revolutionize transportation becomes increasingly clear. In conclusion, Hyperloop technology is a fascinating and promising development in transportation, with the potential to revolutionize the way we move people and goods. We encourage you to continue following the development of Hyperloop and to learn more about this exciting technology. As we look to the future, it's clear that Hyperloop technology has the potential to transform transportation and connect communities in new and innovative ways. From reducing travel times and increasing access to opportunities to inspiring new innovations in other industries, Hyperloop technology represents a significant step forward in building a more sustainable and equitable world. So stay tuned and join us on this exciting journey towards the future of transportation. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on the latest news and developments in Hyperloop and other cutting-edge technologies, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We regularly cover the latest developments in technology and science, and we're committed to keeping you informed about the latest advances. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you soon.